Kynshi drops ka package drinking water jong ka BNS Group of Industries Kynshi, East and West Khasi Hills District Meghalaya, ka court application yaki distributors ki badan jingmot ban supply bala penmi da ka nega karkhana hakine ki than bala jer kerteng harum. Halat kor Smith Sorenkam, way distributor, Lajum Krab but Umpling, Arki distributors, Nongthamai, way distributor, Laban, way distributor, Maulai, way distributor, Yodo, Arki distributors, Polo but Nomansong, way distributor, Garikana but Maupram, way distributor, Police Bazaar but Jail Road, Arki distributors, Birnihan, way distributor, Nongpo, way distributor, Pathar Khma, Jirang, way distributor, Bharambong Yam, way distributor, Jowai, way distributor, Clearyat, way distributor, Amlaram Dauki, way distributor, Ranikor Mausanram, way distributor, Maungam Mauplang, way distributor, Sora Shela Ishamati, Arki distributors, Milim 7 Mile but 3rd Mile, way distributor, Maukrwat, way distributor, Nongjri Borsora, way distributor, Mairang, way distributor, Kynshi, way distributor, Nongston, way distributor, Soyong, way distributor, Punursla Latlingkot, way distributor, Riangdo Shalang, way distributor, but kino ki bakwa ban apply, kila ban chu phone how new number harum. Pra iwe lai, iwe not, nrio not kandai ar.